Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Pip's little world. What did Pip find today? Ew, something round and orange is rolling by.
An orange.
That's right. It's a juicy orange.
Orange. ORNGE.
Let's cut it open and see inside. Look, juicy segments. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The orange is orange, round, and juicy.
Yummy. Oranges are sweet and juicy.
Did you know? Oranges are full of vitamin C to keep you strong.
Bye-bye, orange.
What will Pip find tomorrow? See you next time. Bye-bye.